Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Visordown and welcome to EICMA, where we are just having a quick look at a couple of new Bimotas that have just had the wraps pulled off them. One of them, on that plinth up there, is a bike that we've written about in great amounts of detail. This one a little bit closer to me, it's a bit more of a surprise. So that one on the plinth is the KB4 retro sports bike. This one here is the KB4 RC. Both are based upon the Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX engine, but Bimota have gone to town on not just the styling, also the chassis components. So it's basically all new apart from the engine. Trellis frame, new swing arm, loads and loads of billet aluminium everywhere, new suspension systems, lightweight wheels. It is a very special looking thing. The only thing that I'm struggling with is that Bimota couldn't find a nicer way to incorporate the dashboard into the bike. It looks a little bit clumsy, just dropped on the top there. So I did think at first there was some sort of air scoop, possibly that this is supercharged when they first pulled the covers off it, but looks like those two air ducts there are the ones that feed air through to the radiator, because as you'll see, there is no radiator underneath the fairing or behind the front wheel. I come round here, point my camera up its bum. There is the radiator, so the coolant system is hidden under the seat, which is quite cool. I've not seen that since the Benelli Tornado. So we have spoken to Bimota and they cannot give us an idea of when they are going to be landing in the UK. So it's really busy today. And as the old saying goes, if you have to ask how much it is, it's probably too expensive. So there we have it. The KB4 has finally been revealed in all its glory, and it is a very pretty bike. And it has a naked sibling in the form of the KB4 RC.